Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Uncaged. I am Sam, your English teacher and friend. Today, we will talk about 7 common mistakes beginners make in English and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong verbs. Beginners often say, I goed to the store. The correct way is, I went to the store. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's okay. Repeat slowly, word by word. Try more examples with verbs. Say, I eat breakfast, not I eated breakfast. Use one verb at a time. Practice daily. This makes verbs easier. Mistake number 2, forgetting articles. For example, say, I bought an apple, not I bought apple. Articles an, and the are important. Write them in your notebook. Repeat sentences with articles every day. Practice sentences. I saw a dog. I have an orange. The sun is bright. Small daily steps help. Mistake number 3, word order. English has a special order. Subject plus verb plus object. Say, I like pizza, not pizza I like. It is tricky at first, but you will learn. Practice short sentences daily. Try more sentences. She eats an apple. We watch a movie. Speak slowly. Practice makes perfect. Mistake number 4, pronunciation errors. Beginners often say sheep instead of ship. Listen carefully and repeat slowly. You can do it. Focus on one sound at a time. More examples. Cat and cut. Ship and sheep. Repeat each slowly. Daily practice improves pronunciation. Mistake number 5, using wrong prepositions. For example, I am good in English should be, I am good at English. Prepositions are tricky but important. Practice one preposition per day. Say sentences aloud. Try examples. I am at school. I sit on the chair. I walk to the park. Repeat them slowly. Mistake number 6, forgetting plurals. Say, I have books, not I have book. Always check if you need S or ES. Simple with practice. Try 3 sentences daily with plurals. Practice sentences. I see cats. They have pencils. We eat apples. Write them in your notebook. Mistake number 7, wrong question words. Beginners ask, what you are doing? Correct. What are you doing? Small words change meaning. Practice questions daily. Practice examples. Where are you going? When is the party? Why are you late? Repeat slowly. Review all 7 mistakes. Repeat each correction slowly. Speak aloud. Even one sentence at a time is good. Daily practice helps memory. Tip: use a notebook. Write mistakes and corrections. Look at it daily. Add a small note or smiley for fun. Memory improves quickly. Practice with friends. Ask questions and correct mistakes together. Laugh when you make mistakes. Learning is fun. Confidence grows fast. Listen to short stories or videos. Repeat one sentence after the speaker. Speak slowly. It's okay if one word is different. Keep practicing. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Focus on one sentence. Pause and think if needed. Each sentence you speak strengthens you. Smile and enjoy learning. Learning is a journey. Laugh at mistakes and try again. Smiling helps confidence. Practice daily. Challenge yourself. Make one new correct sentence daily. Use a new word. It's fun to see progress. Step by step, you will improve. Practice alone if needed. Repeat sentences softly. Listen to your voice. Correct yourself. Being your own teacher helps a lot. Speak with confidence. One sentence is enough. Each step builds skill. Little by little, you become fluent. Trust yourself and keep going. This is Sam from English Uncaged. Keep practicing daily. Laugh, enjoy, and learn. Mistakes make learning fun. You are doing amazing. See you next time.